Welcome back to GWorld Mathematics. In our last two lessons, we examined how to determine the adjoint and the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Today, we're building upon that knowledge for an exciting new lesson. What's on our agenda? We will be exploring the inverse of a non-singular 2 by 2 matrix using the adjoint method. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. The inverse of a 2 by 2 non-singular matrix A, denoted as A raised to the -1 power, can be found using various methods, such as the Cramer's rule, the matrix inversion formula, elementary row operations. However, today, our focus will be on using the adjoint method. To find the inverse of a 2 by 2 non-singular matrix using this method, we first have to find the adjoint of the matrix and find the determinant of that given matrix. Once we have the adjoint and the matrix in hand, we are going to find the inverse of the matrix by dividing each element in the adjoint by the determinant of the original matrix. There are a few things that we need to note. If the determinant is 0, then the matrix has no inverse. Also note that division by 0 is undefined. Now, let's walk through a practical example. Given matrix A with elements -4, -5, 8, 7, and 8, our task is to find its inverse. First, let us find the adjoint of matrix A. I would like you to pause the video for 15 seconds and find the adjoint of matrix A. Well done. What did you get for your answer? Let's figure it out together. So we are going to use the swap and change signs. Did you get 8, 5, -7, -4? Fantastic. Once we have found the adjoint of the matrix A, let us find the determinant of matrix A. What did you get for your answer? So remember, to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, we are going to take the difference between the leading and the non-leading diagonal. So -4 times 8, take -5 times 7, which gives a determinant of 3. Now we have established the adjoint of the matrix and the determinant of the matrix. We can now find the inverse of the matrix. So please recall, to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 non-singular matrix, we are going to be dividing each element in the adjoint by the determinant, which gives 8 divided by 3, 5 divided by 3, -7 divided by 3, -4 divided by 3. Please note, if possible, we simplify our final answer. We have come to the end of another exciting lesson. In our next lesson, we will tackle solving systems of linear equations with two unknown using matrices. Remember to like, share, subscribe, most importantly, leave a comment. A daily dose of math keeps the doctor at bay. Until next time.